Hey guys, welcome back to Stupid Chicken. Well, okay. Anyways, so lately I've been on Roblox and so I was scrolling through watching YouTube, and if you scroll to top rated, this particular game, jump in a hole and literally die. Hi guys, my game sub to my channel, and then it says, okay, which person put this on the front page, which I think is funny. So let's play it. Oh. Credits the whole badly designed union, you yourself, the skybox, a free model. Happiness is dead. We are number one. I want 2 number 9s and number 9 large. Which extra dip? Who to blame? John, Steven, making bad games. Well. Well. Okay then. Well, thank you for watching my video. That's all I have to say. No, bye.